Hi, families. This is Miss Laura, and I'm going to be doing the overview for your ELA lesson today, Living in Shells, Part 1. In the last lesson, you used key details to determine the theme of a novel, and in this lesson, you're going to be comparing and contrasting characters. It's important that you know how to compare and contrast characters, words, actions, and reactions so you can better understand why characters can sometimes act the way they do. Today you're going to read Shells, a story about a teenager who is struggling to feel connected. And as you're reading, think about this question. How would you describe Michael and Aunt Esther? If you click on this link, it'll take you to the book Shells. You're reading pages 4 through 7 in your text collection. Some of the vocabulary for today: fiercely, prejudiced, assured, craned, and stupor. When you're done reading the story today, please make sure that you answer the following questions in your ELA journal. You can discuss these with your learning guide. In what ways are Michael and Aunt Esther unhappy? In what ways do Michael and Aunt Esther behave the same? The next section is a 3-column chart that you will be drawing in your ELA journal. You need to follow the directions in this paragraph to complete your chart. Then you will be looking at making inferences. So make sure to read through this carefully. There is a short lesson on synonyms and antonyms. You can skip this section. I will be sending out a video on synonyms and antonyms, so you can just watch the video that I send to your email for your lesson. The next section is your writing section. You should be working on your narrative. And I have it on here that for Monday, you are going to be finishing your first story, and you're supposed to start typing your final draft and then beginning your second story by picking another one from your list of ideas that we talked about, or that you may have talked about, or that you read about. You should have a list of other stories to pick from. So you should spend about 15 minutes typing your final draft and then begin your next story in your journal. That should be about a 20-minute write. And that will be it for today. Have a great day of learning.